Tariki 31 mweri wa Dithemba niguo bururi wa Ngeretha ukarekania na ngwataniro ya gitaru kia Ruraya thutha wa bururi ucio guikia kura ya kwiyeheria gitaru-ini kiu na mabururi mothe thiini wa thi mari ihenya-ini ria gwikanirira ngirimiti itiganite ta uhuri wa biacara, urata na mangi na bururi ucio wa Ngeretha. Kenya nditigitwo na thutha mihango-ini ino. Baruthi wa Kenya Ngeretha Manoa Esipisu akiuga riu bururi ni urikitie kugia na uiguithanirio na Ngeretha.
And we were in a position where we needed to get a deal for Kenya so that Kenya's trade with the UK is secure, it's certain, and that everyone involved in the value chain knows that we can grow our crops in Kenya. Their market in the UK will be intact.
Wonjoria gatagati ka mabururi maya meri ukoretwo uri wa makiria ma ciringi bilioni 200 ukihutia arimi a maciaro matiganite ma migunda guku bururi-ini.
The market as previously designed is secure, that we can continue to export into the UK duty-free, quota-free basis. That many Kenyans know that this is a huge market for our flowers, for our coffee, for our tea, and that those things can continue to come. That a lot of the fruits that are now getting to be eaten here are from Kenya. And we are also seeing a new variety of things like herbs, like spices that are getting here from our country. And these things I think are important for our farmers, they're important for our economy.
Esipisu arauga ngirimiti iyo njeru Kenya iguithanirie na Ngeretha ni guteithia kuhingura thoko ya maciaro mangi ma thithino ya Kenya na uguo guteithia gutura ona mieke mingi ya mawira guku bururi-ini makiria ruhonge-ini rwa urimi.
We also wanted to expand the variety of products that we export. The beef market, if we look at our animals, goats, and dairy products, all those we can also now sell to the UK under this new trade regime.
Ripoti ya Ngeretha ya mwaka muthiru igie wonjoria wayo na Kenya yonanirie ati wendia wa kahua na macani ma Kenya thoko-ini ya Ngeretha ithukumagira Kenya ciringi bilioni 17.9. Thoko ya Ngeretha ikioya gicunji kia 43 hari igana kia nyeni iria ikuragio Kenya igithukuma ciringi bilioni 8 na milioni 800 kumana na wendia wa nyeni thoko-ini iyo ya Ngeretha, na miti na mahua kuma Kenya thoko-ini ya Ngeretha igathukumira bururi wa Kenya ciringi bilioni 8, na wonjoria wa maciaro maya gatagati ga Kenya na Ngeretha ugathukumira bururi wa Kenya ciringi bilioni 120. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Harun Njoroge wa Maina.